o te Maori e wānau, whānau, hānau, however it is you want to say it from whichever region you're from. So today's kupu of the day or place name is a little bit more difficult this time. Well, I think it is. So I'm going to give it a go and teach you how to pronounce it. Okay, and that place name is Tongariro. That is Tongariro, not Tongariro. Okay, so the hardest part in this place name is Tariro. Well, I think it is. So we're going to sort of try and break it down, and I mean, there's not many words in the English dictionary that sound the same as riro, unless you sort of pronounce middle or riddle. It's very similar, but not quite. Okay, so here we go. The first part, to. Repeat after me. To, nga, ri, ro. To, nga, ri, ro. Now you should know how to roll your R's by now. The hard part in that is the riro, saying that together, and getting the correct pronunciation for that. Okay, so the first part, to, if you know how to say talk, okay, you want to say the first part in talk, but just blunting that T so it almost sounds like a D. So instead of saying to, say to, talk. Yes, very good. Okay, next part, nga. You already know how to say that? Yeah, because you say it in the word singer. You know, like singer sewing machines, or bro, she was a mean singer. Yep. Nga. The last part, nga. To, nga. Wow, you just said it. Okay, the last part, riro. Now, the re part, if you know how to say ready, like I'm ready to go, bro. I'm ready now. Pick me up. Okay, the word ready, just take that last part of ready, the re, you know, you're already saying it without saying it, without knowing you're saying it. Okay, so ready, yeah, I'm ready. Just don't pronounce the D. Okay, and then the last part, the ro. Okay, so if you know how to say Theodore, the name Theodore, as in Theodore Roosevelt, the last part in Theodore, in that name, the ro, there you go, Theodore. Just don't overemphasize that D. So it sounds more like the rolling your R. Rrr. Okay, like in ta-da, Theodore. So riro. So ready and Theodore, just take off the thea. Riro. Okay. Hopefully that sort of, I mean, if you've got any other way to pronounce that, man, how about, yeah, it's about educating. Okay, so go through that again. To, nga, ri, ro. To, nga, ri, ro. To, nga, ri, ro. So get faster. Tongariro. All right. Yeah, if there is a better way of pronouncing that, it is quite difficult. So yeah, man, put it in the comments. Ciao.